Om Sai Ram to all the Baba lovers out there. Hope you all are doing good. Hope you all are resonating with the readings. So, coming to the first Thursday of Baba's Day, beautiful first Thursday, I would suggest you all go to Baba's temple if you can go, and if there is no Baba temple nearby, and if you have the Sai Sat Charitra, then read some pages from there, or just chant Om Sai Ram 108 times. Make some prasad which he likes, or make something which you really love making for you and your family members, and keep it for him, and I'm sure he's going to rejoice it, he's going to love it. That is something which I always feel Baba will enjoy, and Baba likes it when we give what we have. Baba says surrender to Baba and let him direct it. Maybe few things are running in your mind, you're not able to understand how to handle it or how to come out of it. And when I see this, I don't feel that it is just that. I feel some of you have planned a few things for the near future. It can be investments, it can be buying a house, it can be opening up a new business or any new opportunities, but you're wondering whether the plan will go the way you have decided or something will be an obstacle. Maybe moreover, it is more like you are on the right track, all the arrangements are done, and everything is perfect. It is just that your inner fear or whatever has happened before is giving you that stress whether you should do it or not. But Baba is telling you all that there will be a transformation. Now, when I see this transformation, if you read here, it says it's going to be a miraculous transformation. Again and again, Baba is giving one specific message. If you see both the cards, that you need to surrender to him, give him your heart. But I would say here, when I see here body and heart, I would say give your mind and soul to him. Ask him what is the solution you should take. It can be for your work, it can be for your personal life, or it can also be for the stress or the financial pressure that you're undergoing for quite some time. Ask him, and I'm sure he is going to give you the answers. Now, after you ask him, let go of it. That is more important. Sometimes we ask and then we cling on to it. Don't cling on to it. Ask him, let go of it, and then just wait for the miracles to happen. Just remember one thing: if you give Baba your mind and soul, and if you keep him in your heart, he will himself represent you around the world, take decisions for you, and handle everything that is going haywire. So have a beautiful and a Baba blessed day. Om Sai Ram.